Hey, it's Kate with WTI, and if you're looking for a great summer t-shirt, then these ones from HIBETY should be on your list. These come in a pack of 5. This particular set has green, blue, 2 shades of gray, and black. What makes these awesome is that they are extremely lightweight and breathable. So it is perfect for summer, out in the heat. It also offers sun protection, so literally the ultimate summer t-shirt. If you're working out in the heat, these are fast drying, so even if you get sweaty, they will dry quickly. I also love that they have the reflective strip on the arm, so just an extra layer of protection from cars or whatever as you're walking at night. The material is really nice. You can see that it's light, thin, stretchy, breathable. It has a nice little texture too, just to add a little extra detail. The stitching is well made. It fits excellent. We are in the size medium and it fits both of my teenage sons perfectly. And with such a great variety of colors, they can each have a few. So whether you're just hanging out in the sun, working outdoors, exercising, going for a walk, this will be the perfect addition to your summer clothing, and that's my point of view.